Hello little artists. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Today we are going to draw and color school supplies. First we will draw a cute notebook. Draw spiral rings on the side one by one. Now draw a rectangle shape. Let's make it extra cute. Draw two little hearts in the middle. So adorable. Now let's draw a pencil. Draw two long lines at the rounded top and a sharp point at the bottom. In the last, let's draw a cute scissor. Draw two big loops for the handle. And then draw the blades crossing each other. Wow, awesome! Now outline everything with a black marker. So bright and beautiful. Now it's coloring time. First, we are going to color a cute notebook. Let's use orange color at the top. And yellow at the bottom. Wow! Look at that beautiful gradient. Now color the pencil bright yellow. Add green strips in the middle. Fill the red color in the hearts and color the tip gray and black. Let's coloring the scissor. First, color the handles pink. And the blade brown. Great job, little artists. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.